Hey everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a beautiful linen sari. So this is the sari with the 4 different matching blouses that I'm going to share, and stay tuned until the end of my video as you get to see a kurti with a matching linen dupatta. So this is the sari that I was talking about. The beauty of linen sari is it's a soft material, it's very comfortable, and it best suits for any occasion. So this is the overall sari of this. This is actually the pallu. It got this self-designed pallu with silver touch to it, and these are the tassels. The beauty of linen sari is always comes with tassels, and of course even for dupattas you always get tassels. So this is the border of it. It's a very simple one and it's a self-design overall, but for pallu you got this silver design. So this is the blouse that I've got. I've selected a very simple pattern here, and this is the same. Usually linen saris comes with the same type of self-design linen blouse, and it matched perfectly, and I love the model, simple yet elegant. So for this kind of saris you have to match with silver jewelry. It will elevate the sari really well. So this is the second blouse that I've selected. I really like this floral pattern. Floral pattern is in trend right now, and then the beauty of floral pattern is it can match to more than one sari, but I specifically selected this blouse for this sari, but I'm going to definitely wear it for more than one sari, as you all know, because my channel goal is always try to mix and match. So this is the overall pattern of it. Friends and viewers, let me know what you all think about this blouse, and I love the blouse model as well. Moving on to the third one. This one, actually the cloth that I got is from my friend, the blue color cloth, but it was not sufficient. So what I've asked them to do is to put different sleeves for the hands, so that it can become a mix and match sari blouse. The main reason that I've selected this is because of my Uppada old sari. I was trying to get a new blouse done for that, but it perfectly matched to this sari as well because of all that silver design coming on that. If you look closely, for hands you got that silver touch to it, and then also they have designed it in such a way it's like so much of neat details you have on the hands as well. Viewers, trust me, this one is one of my best blouse designs, and if you want you can get this done as well. So this is the overall look of it. Let me know what you all think, and if you look closely also you got this yellow color thread. So this is one of the other cotton blouse that I got recently, and again guess what, if the material is not enough, then definitely I'm going to mix and match sleeves with another color also, but I didn't think about any color for this or any sari for this. But definitely if this blouse is stretched, then definitely I'm going to share with you all that blouse as well. So this is the overall look of this. Let me know in comments. Feedback is greatly appreciated, because so that I can improve my channel, and I can also improve my videos and everything. So friends, please let me know in comments what you all think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's move on to the fourth one. This one actually I've shared with you all in my previous videos. I'm going to add a link for this one specifically. I got it for a gray color sari, so that's why we got gray and yellow color design in it, because it got a light yellow thread to it. So that's the overall design for this. So and this one is a collar neck. Usually for linen saris any blouse design will match, but definitely collar neck and boat neck are the perfect match for the linen sari. So that's one of the reason I've selected. So this is the close look of this triangle shape design, and as you see, these are all the 4 different blouse patterns here. So that's what I'm talking about. Always try to mix and match the blouses. You can see multiple styles and designs. And moving on to the blouse pattern, this is the same blouse pattern that I've selected for the floral that I've shown you previously. I love this blouse pattern a lot, so I've repeated this blouse pattern. Friends and viewers, let me know. And for the entire sari and then the different blouses that I've used, I'm going to share a link in the description box, as I've already shared this video. The only reason I'm sharing the picture today, so that's the reason I'm just giving a quick look of about this sari. It's the sari as well. So this is the overall close look of it. Now let's move on to the jewelry that I've selected. So this is the jewelry which I've already shared in my previous videos. I made this necklace, and then this neck piece is like a perfect match to this, even though it got a little gold color in it, but still it's perfectly matching to this. And for this, the earrings that I've selected is a simple gold and yellow looking earrings. These are very simple ones yet elegant. So overall this one would be a perfect match to this sari. Let me know in comments what you all think. And I think this will definitely match to my Vupada sari also, which I'm going to show you all in my future videos. And this is the second one that I've selected. This is the black threaded jewelry with a simple silver earrings. Usually for linen saris, silver is a very good match for linen saris. So this is the close look of it. These are the real silver earrings that my cousin gifted it to me, and this is the overall look of it. And moving on to the kurti that I've recently bought, this kurti, and this one is a very simple kurti, and I think I've spent only like 500 rupees for this. I got this from Hyderabad. Usually I get the XXL size, and then later I will resize it into the large size so that it can give that nice nice touch and fits perfectly. So this is the overall look of it, and for this one they did not give any open. It's just a long gown kind of kurti here. So for this I've matched a linen dupatta. So that's the beauty of cotton with linen dupatta. For the linen dupatta, usually it costs around 600 to 800 rupees. I think I've spent 600 rupees for this one. And also the beauty of it is, like I said, it always comes with tassels, and this is the silver pattern that I've got here, also like a border. And also you can always reuse this linen dupattas for more than one kurti. So that's another beauty of linen dupattas. And like I said, this is the overall look of it, and it's kind of matching to my sari as well, because sari is in yellow color, this one is white, but the pattern is almost same. So friends and viewers, let me know what you all think. So for this I've matched with the following accessories. One is the bangle, and then the earrings I have shared already with you all. And then this bangle perfectly matches with the linen saris. Even for the sari it matches very well, and even for linen dupattas it really elevates it. So that's one of the reason I've selected. And then the first set of bangles that I've selected for linen sari is these ones. I've selected a traditional kind of beaded jewelry, so that's one of the reason I've selected this. And then the next one, of course, trying to mix and match with the blouse that I've selected, and I'm thinking these ones will go very well with this blouse as well. And then I'll definitely share my Vupada yellow color sari so that you can see exactly what I was talking about. And then this is the last piece that I've selected for today, and then this one I'm trying to mix and match with the silver jewelry that I've selected previously. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. That means a lot to me. Also, please provide me the feedback. Feedback is greatly appreciated so that it can help me to improve my videos, content and everything. So thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.